Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Honda Fit belt. Begin by parking the car on level ground, setting the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Gather basic tools like a socket set, breaker bar, torque wrench, and a new belt that matches your engine specification. Clear the workspace and wear safety glasses and gloves. Keep a flashlight handy for tight engine areas and consult your manual for belt routing diagrams. To remove the old belt, first locate the belt routing diagram or take a clear photo for reference. Use the right socket on the tensioner and rotate it to release tension, then carefully slide the belt off the pulleys starting with the easiest access point. Inspect each pulley and the tensioner for noise or play and clean pulley grooves. Put removed belt aside and compare it to the new belt for correct length and ribs. When installing the new belt, first route it around the lower and fixed pulleys, leaving the tensioner pulley for last. Rotate the tensioner to create slack and slip the belt over the final pulley, ensuring all ribs sit correctly in grooves. Release the tensioner slowly so it applies proper tension, then spin the crank by hand 2 full revolutions to settle the belt. Start the engine and listen for any squeal, recheck tension if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.